back to my channel. Today I'll be cooking chicken masala with caramelized onions. Let's start cooking and hope you guys enjoy this video. So we're going to use curry cut half kg skinless chicken, and we drop that there, and we'll add the masalas for the marinade. So I'm starting with salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we'll go for saffron powder, which is known as haldi powder also, so that's 1 teaspoon. And chili powder I put 1 teaspoon. If you like it spicy, you can go for 2 or 3, but 1 should be just sufficient. And coriander powder 1 teaspoon, and garam masala, which is a mix of spices, so that's 1 teaspoon. And we're going to add coconut powder, which is 3 teaspoons of coconut powder. Ginger garlic paste, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of it. And we're going to go for the burnt caramelized onions. So I'm going to use half of the quantity, which is around 4 onions caramelized, which gives it a lot of flavor. And curd, which is known as 𝐦𝐞𝐫𝐬𝐨𝐽, is 200 ml. And there's a little secret here. I'm going to tell you the secret. So it's coconut milk, and we use saffron in it. Leave it for about 10 minutes. You can see the color changing, and add that on top. Now I'm going to, this is how it looks, and I'm going to mix it, mix the marinade. So basically massage it a little bit so that it gets into it, into all the grooves. We're not adding any oil to this. Now this is how it looks. This is how it looks, and we're going to leave this for around 10 minutes. Take a non-stick pan, and on a medium heat you can add 3 teaspoons of ghee. This is 𝐸𝐴𝐵𝐻𝐿. Just let the ghee melt a little bit. In a few seconds you'll see the ghee melted, and we're going to add the chicken, which was marinated for about 10 minutes. Don't leave out the gravy, the masalas. Just mix it in this ghee. It can fry for some time, maybe a minute. We're not going to add any water, but cover this and leave it for about 10 minutes to cook on medium heat. So let's check this dish out. We're almost done. Oh wow, you can see the ghee coming out. You can see the caramelized onions on top, and the ghee is come out nicely. The chicken is almost done. Another 2 or 3 minutes more, and we're going to finish it with more of the burnt onions. Some coriander chopped, and another teaspoon of ghee. That looks good. So we're going to just leave it for 2 to 3 minutes So we are almost done. Wow, I'm going to turn the gas off. This is how the dish is on the finishing. You can see the ghee on top. Ghee is very healthy.